Do you want to know?
Okay, welcome guys to our week 6 in math class. And you can find week 6 on page 20 in your module. Okay, so for week 6, we have 2 topics. And those topics are all about division. The first topic is division of decimals with up to 2 decimal places. When we say 2 decimal places, meaning it is only up to hundredths. Okay, let's solve for your example. Direct to the point na agad tayo, ha? So, we have here 64 hundredths divided by 4 hundredths equals n. Okay, in division, it is basic to know the parts of the number sentence. Okay, so review lang natin ha, although baka nalimutan nyo na din. So what do we call this one? 64 hundredths. So this part of the number sentence is what we call dividend. In some cases or most cases, it is the largest number in the number sentence. Ano? Okay, next one, this is our division sign. And then the second one is what we call divisor. Ito yung pang-divide natin doon sa malaking number. In most cases in division, it is the least or the smallest number here. And then we have here the equal sign, and then n stands for the quotient. Diba sa multiplication, ang tawag natin ay product, yung sagot sa multiplication. Sa division, ang tawag natin sa kanyang answer ay quotient. Ano, makikita nyo sa binibigay kong summative test or assessment test. We have there this one. May mga quotient, product, sum. So, dapat common knowledge na sa atin itong mga parts of division. Okay. Okay, since familiar na kayo sa tawag sa parts ng division, or sa number sentence and division, let's divide it or let's solve it. So, pahiin ko muna to. Okay, tandaan natin yung ating given, 64 hundredths divided by 4 hundredths. Okay, then let's write it vertically. Okay, so yung ating 64 hundredths ay nasa loob. Ganyan tayo mag-divide. And then yung ating 4 hundredths ay nasa labas. Ang dividend, lagi ang nasa loob pag kayo magdi-divide. Ang divisor, lagi ang nasa labas. Okay, at yung sagot sa taas, yun yung ating quotient. So, how will you divide this one? First rule in dividing decimals, you have to remove the decimal point. You have to make the numbers whole numbers. Okay, pareho silang may decimal point. At nakadepende yan sa kung decimal ang ating divisor, kailangan matanggal siya. Okay, how do we remove it? Magmo-move lang tayo ng decimal places papunta sa right. Para mawala yung ating decimal point. So, this one, divisor, lagi kayo magsisimula. Okay, we have 1, 2. Wala na si decimal point. You can cancel now the zeros. Magiging na siyang 4 lang. Okay. Pagdating natin sa dividend, kung ilan yung decimal places na i-move mo sa divisor, yun din ang bilang sa dividend. Okay, since dalawa ang minove natin dito, dalawa din dito. Not necessarily na mawawala yung decimal point dito, depende yan sa case-to-case basis yan Since dito pareho silang 2 decimal places, talagang walang decimal point na matitira. Okay, so naging whole number na siya. Kinancel natin ang 2 zeros sa divisor. Kinancel natin ang 1 zero sa dividend. So, we have our new numbers which are 64 divided by 4. Now, you can divide. Sa pagdi-divide, isa-isa mo ng digit. 6 divided by 4. O, ilang 4 ang kasya kay 6? We have only 1. Yan, dito yung ating quotient. 1 times 4 is 4 minus. Yan. Ito yung step by step natin, 6 minus 4, we have 2. 2 divided by 4 cannot be. Mas maliit yung ating dividend kaysa kay divisor, so hindi tayo pwedeng mag-divide. So, we have to bring down the remaining digit. 24 divided by 4 is how many? Okay, ilang 4 ang kasya kay 24? We have 6. Diyan yung mapapakinabangan yung pinare-recite ni ma'am, pinamemory sa inyong multiplication table and multiples. Okay, nahihirapang mag-divide sa isip, pwede kayong recite sa kamay, di ba? For example, start case 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So, we have 6. Ilalagay nyo siya sa quotient. 6 times 4 is equivalent to 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. So, you got there your answer, which is 16. Let's have another example wherein we have different decimal places. Okay, we have 12 and 84 hundredths divided by 2 tenths equals n. So, as you can see on the first number, we have here for our dividend, we have 2 decimal places. Naabot siya sa hundreds. And then for our divisor, it has only 1 decimal place, which is in the tenths place. Okay. O, pag nakakita kayo ng ganyan, ganun uli ang gagawin yung katulad ng example kanina ni ma'am. You have to write it vertically. Okay? Let's have this one. Unahin nyo si dividend. 12 and 84 hundredths divided by ikulong nyo sa ating pang-divide. And then write the divisor outside. Okay. So, sabi niyo ma'am, dito sa division of decimals, nakadepende ang ating decimal places kay divisor. So, kung ilan ang ginalaw mo kay divisor, yun din ang galaw mo kay dividend. Not necessarily na kailangan pareho silang mawala ng decimal point. That thinking is wrong. Nagkataon lang kanina dun sa ating example na may 2 decimal places sila pareho. Pero what if magkaiba ang decimal places nila? Okay, so we have here, on the divisor, 1 decimal place. O si move ka ng isa. Wala na si decimal point. Pag nalagay mo na sa dulo ng digit yung decimal point, as in, nawawala siya, invisible na siya. Okay, then you have to cancel the 0. Kung isa ang move mo dito, automatically dito sa ating dividend, isa lang din. Isa. Okay, so now lumipat na ang ating decimal point. Okay. O para hindi kayo malito at makalimot paglalagay ng decimal point, once you have put the decimal point on the dividend, okay, ilagay nyo na din siya sa product, sa quotient, Kokopyahin nyo na siya dun sa ibabaw ng quotient. Okay. So, dahil nandito na siya, kopya lang sa tapat. And then you can now divide. Papansin nyo, walang kinancel si ma'am dito sa dividend kasi nga wala naman siyang 0. Okay, let's proceed. 1 divided by 2 cannot be. So, you have to partner it with the next digit. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 12, that is 0. No need to write the 0 here. Proceed with the next digit. Okay, 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Nakikita nyo yung reverse operation niya, And then, 8 minus 8 equals 0. No need to put again. And then, bring down the last digit, which is 4. 4 times 2 is equivalent to 4 divided by 2 is equivalent to 2. And then 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 minus 4 is equivalent to 0. So we have no remainder. Okay, and our quotient is 64 and 2 tenths. Okay, there is a way that you may know if your answer is correct. That is by checking. Diba tayo ay nag-divide dito? Gagamitin natin yung reverse operation, which is multiplication. Ito option na lang kung gusto nyong i-check basta ipapakita ko lang kung paano siya malaman kung paano nyo malalaman na tama talaga yung sagot nyo. You have to get the quotient and you are going to multiply it with your divisor. Yan. 64 and 2 tenths times 2 tenths. Okay. Then you are going to multiply. Ito, checking lang to Kung malilito. This is just an optional phase. Okay. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 6 is 12. Okay. O, kailangan pa ba nito yung multiply ng 0? No need. Kasi 0 lang din naman ang kalalabasan niya. Now, diba turo ko sa inyo, pag nag-multiply kayo, bibilangan yung decimal places ng multiplier natin at multiplicand, yung ating pinag-times na number. Okay. So, we have here 1 and then 2. Okay, yun yung magiging decimal place ng ating product. So, starting from the last digit, we have to count 1 and then 2. Decimal point. And then, this is the answer. Pag nakita nyo na pareho yung ating dividend at yung product natin sa checking, that means your answer is correct. No?